Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, I will show you that how to design a mutual e-commercial site. In this video, I will show you that how to design a multi-segmented or multi-sectional e-commercial site where you can display different product or different times. You can choose like winter types product, summer types collection. These types of scenario you can learn in this tutorial. Hereby you can see I have just changed the logo like the shopping. So after finding some different logo, I have choose this one. This is really very important to select the logo or the mother searching keyword for a website, because after the website hosting this is really very important. So hereby I have just chosen the shopping part, and hereby you can see the first section is here, and I'm just copied it and use the different section, because this is the multi-purpose website where owner can display the different times product like the summer collection, winter collection, these types of things or scenario. You can see this website or design. So hereby I have just used the demo product and demo images. Everything is demo purpose for the tutorial. So as per the tutorial you can learn that how to design or how to make a responsive website or e-commercial site which is absolutely scalable for the desktop or laptop and mobile tab, every kinds of devices, because the mobile highest pixel is the 300 px, and I have used the minimum px here 300 px for the mobile purpose, and the uppercase is 900. So hereby you can see the total amount of resolution is 1280 by 1080, means full HD resolution you will get from this website. And the loading time is average loading time is 3.52 seconds. So the loading time is very important for a website, because if your customer come to your website for the first time, he or she needs to search it or open it within a second. So hereby I have just used the 3.52 second, but I will make it more comfortable, like the less than a second the total site will come up or shown up on your device. So after that, the demo purpose I have just checking the resolution and the total amount of segmentation and how to design it. So after that I will give you some important information, like after the hosting what kinds of part or things to recover or develop after the hosting. So that time when you are checking your website is not come up with the actual format, like sometimes when you search a website it will take so much time for the rendering purpose, but this is really matterable questionable things for e-commercial site, because many customers can hit on the single second. So hereby the hosting purpose I am using the Heroku and the Netlify. Before tutorial in the previous tutorial you have already learn about the Heroku and the Netlify. In our current or previous in the current session, there are many hosting company is providing their .com and .net, these types of domains, but the Heroku and Netlify, both the company is providing 500 MB free data for the hosting purpose. So if you want to use these two companies domain just free of cost, just check out your account, or if you do not have the check-in, you just register a account with the Gmail and your phone number. After that you can use that 500 free MB or data for the hosting purpose. And after the checking, when you goes to your website, then you can see the rendering quality for your website. Then you can choose the packages they are offering for you, monthly or yearly. So yearly, the Netlify and Heroku is providing around $120 for a year. Hereby you can use the 10 GB internal memory, and the database support is like 5 GB. You can use it monthly wise. So all the total year you can cover with this data segmentation. And after the Netlify is providing around $147 for they are providing within this amount like 15 GB internal memory and 8 GB physical memory for database and 4 GB virtual memory for database. So these types of things they are providing. So I have just choose the Heroku because it is very easy to host. So hereby you can see I have just check out the some picture which is downloaded from the Shutterstock. So this is not for the promotion purpose, but Shutterstock is provide free images or stock images, and another site is Pixel. You can use or choose. They are providing you the actual size or very high resolution photos, which is very beneficiary for our website. So these types of things you need to know about the website development. Hereby I have just already stored the images from these types of sites, and just use my local data in these things, because when I'm going to check out the hosting, that time this whole packages we need to host on that domain. So there no database support will actually available. So that time these types of image you can check out from your library. So after rest of the things you have already learned something, and I have discussed many things like the image, how to collect, and what kinds of hosting company will provide you the free data. So as per our main section is the hosting is what kinds of code you need to know. This is the Node.js you can use, or React if you are using the React framework. This hosting is little bit difficult, but different segmentation. I will give you some tutorial about the how to host React.js framework on the Heroku. So this time I'm just tell you as per learning purpose you can choose the Node.js. This is really very, this is also hard, but this is not so much hard. So for the first time you can choose the Node.js, and these types of website designing actually important or actually beneficiary for Node.js framework. And after the background you can see here I'm just using the HTML and CSS for the designing purpose, and on this background I have used only Node.js. Hereby local server, you can check out the website on the local server also. But after that when you register Heroku account, that should be linked up with this Node.js, because when you are working on the physical site or physical server to virtual server, that time you need to connect with the virtual server. So this is really very easy. Only a single Gmail you can use for this hosting purpose, and I will give you more information after day by day. And hereby you can see I'm just select the pricing for the product, and this is the electronics product I have chosen in this section. And before that I have already told you this is actually the demo or tutorial purpose, but here some kinds of mismatch. You can see that winter collection means when you use the section of winter collection, it must be involved by clothings and other types of product like the sweater and clothes, shoes, mufflers, these types of product, and what kinds of food you can choose for the winter time. These types of foodie lover people can order from the website. So this is the winter collection. Basically move on the clothing's product. And so after the summer collection, when you goes for the summer collection, that can be your watch, your mobile, your shirt and shoes, these types of product you can choose. And when you goes for the grocery, this all types of grocery is comes under these types of section, like the from flour to vegetables, from rice to oil, these types of product will come on this section. And here I'm just scrolling down the total amount of code, and please copy it from this time and actual result you will get. If you do not get any kinds of actual result that is showing on this screen, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or email. So I'm available here to help you and guide you for these types of real-time project. So hereby you can see I'm just choosing some different color for the shopping logo, and it's actually people used to make it by different software, but actually there is no need to design from the software because you cannot get the actual resolution of that logo. So hereby you can see the search input means the details button you are showing here, and there is the main image, the background image on the detail button. And here you can see the media screen means the mean wide is 40% and height is 300 px and wide is 50%. Means when you just close down the website, it will come it will actually match with your mobile screen. Hereby what kinds of visualization you will get on the mobile screen, this can also test from this site. And when you host the same site on the domain purpose, that time also you can search and you can check the things that the website can cover on your mobile screen or laptop screen. If it not, so feel free to contact us. There is also a solution, because when the size is not matching with your device, that time we need to change some coding or some designing here from the CSS part. So after complete single product, single e-commercial site, you can understand the things, how the things is basis on the device purpose or face to face. So hereby you can see many kinds of theme and animation, some response like inside the website when you move on your cursor with the button color has changes. So when your customer will come on your website, he can understand that when you click on the button, when he or she click on the button, the color has changes. So these types of animation or response you can use on your website also, and hereby I have also used that things. So I'm very sorry for the long line coding and some more information I have shared with you, and thanks for watching my video, and welcome to Technode Expert again. Feel free to ask any questions. I am here to answer your every questions for this tutorial. So thanks for watching my video again. Goodbye.